In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Looker Studio. This is a fantastic way to bring your data to life through engaging visuals, interactive features, and a well-structured format that makes your information easy to understand and explore. First, you'll want to start a new report. Begin by signing in to Looker Studio. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to create a new report. Click on Create, and then select Report. Now it's time to choose your data source. Looker Studio supports a variety of data inputs such as Google Analytics, Google Sheets, BigQuery, and many more. Select the data source that best suits your needs and click Add to Report. With that, you'll be presented with a blank canvas, a fresh space ready for your creativity and data insights. Next, let's dive into adding charts and visual elements, which is the heart of your dashboard. Make sure you are in Edit mode. From here, head to the top menu and click on Insert. You'll notice a variety of chart types you can choose from. Whether it's bar, line, pie charts, tables, scorecards, or others, there's plenty you can do to visually interpret your data. Simply drag your chosen chart onto the canvas or click to place it. Now, let's configure your chart using the Setup panel. Here, you can select the dimension you want to display, such as country or page title. Likewise, pick your metrics, for example, users and sessions. Don't forget to make use of filters and breakdowns for added context and deeper insights. Once your visual elements are in place, we can move on to enhancing interactivity within your dashboard. Return to the Insert menu and select Control, where you'll find options for interactive components like date range controls and drop-down or list filters. These tools are invaluable for letting viewers adjust and manipulate the data they're exploring in real time. You can strategically position these controls above or beside your charts to enhance accessibility and user interaction. Now, let's focus on organizing and stylizing your layout to ensure everything looks cohesive and visually appealing. This is where the Style panel becomes your best friend. It's here that you can tweak each element's appearance, adjust colors, select fonts, set borders, manage alignment, and tweak sizing to suit your aesthetic. Beyond individual elements, think about the broader picture. Use theme and layout options to achieve report-wide consistency. Whether you select a ready-made template or decide to customize your palette and background, ensuring your dashboard has a unified look will greatly enhance its readability and professional appearance. With these steps, your dashboard is well on its way to being both functional and beautiful. Go ahead and experiment with different elements until you find the perfect setup that conveys your data most effectively. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.